And this video I'm going to show you something that is making some of us excited. Now imagine this business that was started actually the week of January 24 specifically, and within the first week, which is January 21 to 27, $390 was made in this account. And this was before the registration. Okay, so this is not counted, but this is the week of registration. So the first week, $390. What about the second week? Between the week of 28, remember this stopped at 27, so 28 to February 3rd, how much? 802. And then look at another one. Remember this stopped at February 3rd, so from February 4th to February 10, and then from that February 4th to February 10, you have $827. You can imagine that, friends, massive. And if you go down again from February 11 to February 17, that's $900. Now if you add all of that up, that's whopping $2,929 in just about a month. Friends, this is Livegood for you. Join us and let me show you how that is done.